cookies and cream too.
Have you tried a flavor?
Wait, really?
Have you tried all the flavors?
Wait, no, but I'm looking forward to it. It'll be so awesome, right?
I know.
Like, what if I tried them all at the same time?
What
That
about?
would be so awesome, you know?
What if we read
It's so funny.
Hey, there's a TV in here. Wanna watch something? Sure, sounds fun.
Oh, here, I found the remote.
Hey! Hey you, over there! Do you have any plans this summer?
No.
Do you want to spend this summer at home all by yourselves?
No.
Well, there's no need to worry. We're having VBS this year, and I know how much you guys loved it last year. And guess what? I'm here to tell you all about it.
Really? Let's go.
Better yet, why don't I show you what's going to happen? Come on, come along. Follow me.
I was looking for direction, someone who could point the way. I was searching for redemption. You were there to save the day. Light of the world, you found me. You turned my world around.
This year's VBS is called Shine because it says in Isaiah 61, "Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord rises upon you."
It'll be like going to the movies with your pals to watch your favorite movie. We will be going through the Bible with the 5 movie things: mystery, romance, comedy, action, and musical. La la la! It's going to be lots of fun. Not only will we listen to lots of fun Bible stories, we'll get to do lots of fun things.
We've got science and crafts, skits, dancing, games, and yummy food.
So save June 19th to June 23rd on your calendars. That's June 19th to June 23rd. Grab your box of popcorn and get ready to party with Jesus.
Lights, camera, action. Are you ready for this?